Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So today I thought I'd show you some of my padlock collection. I'll probably do another video of more of them, but I thought I'd start off with this one. Go through them. Most of these I have actually picked on video, so you can look them up if you haven't already seen them. There's a few I haven't, I'll explain as we go through, but I just thought I'd give you a quick look at each individual one. So we'll start off here. This is quite a nice Yale padlock, the Y90S 45, removable core, as is most of my collection. But nice, works lovely. I think this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins I think on that one. But nice padlock, one of the earlier ones I got. So, and we'll go through the Yales to start with. So this one, another good solid heavy Yale padlock. Similar core in this one. This is the Y210 51. All works nicely. That's fractionally larger than the other one. But yeah, again, nice padlock. So then we get on to the Yale 850. So nice big solid lump of brass with 6-pin core, and this is the 850, which comes with the steel, hardened steel shackle. That's the difference between the 850 and the 851. So, but another nice good heavy lump of brass this time. So that one's the Yale 850. Then we got onto the 851, which is same body, brass shackle, and this one is a little bit different because it is actually a railway spec, so it's different core and it is actually made specifically for use on the railways. So, but like I say, identical to the 850, just with the brass shackle rather than the steel. But yeah, again, another nice one. And what we got next, talking about the railways, this is another one, which is the Union, get the light on there right, Union Sr Abloy, and you can see with the number at the top there, which also matches the number on the key. Get the light there. And this is another railway spec lock, and one of the big giveaways with this one is the fact that we've got a Union Sr Abloy lock with a Yale keyway. So, but that's the way they come. There's plenty of these around, so you've probably seen me pick that, and I actually modified the core on one of those to make it a little bit more awkward to pick. So next, I've got the Master. Now, I'm not a fan of Master locks, but this one is just that little bit unusual. Laminated body, but with removable core. And it's the Master number 27. So I think these are actually quite rare over here. This one was sent to me by a lock picking lawyer, but all works nicely. So another one I keep in the collection. So next, little nice 40mm brass Brinks. Quite a nice little lock, standard sort of core along the lines of the American padlocks, that sort of thing. Then we've got the old Viro cylindrical handbag padlock, they call it. Only 4 pins, but not an easy pick, and it's got the secret pin in the bottom, which you can use that to set while you're picking it. And that one and this one both don't have removable cores, but they are unusual locks. This one's the Viro Panzer, brass body as you can see, but with hardened steel cover on it. I mean, this one's 75mm, but works nicely, and is actually a 7-pin lock, if you can see on there. So that's why I'll keep that one. We then have the Viro real big lump of brass. This is the 304, and it's designed to take any half-euro cylinder. So at the moment this one has a CS core in it, but all works quite nicely. But this one I haven't picked because I'm going to upgrade the core. Once the core's upgraded, then that one will come onto video hopefully. And likewise the same with this, which is the Abus 8655. Another real big lump of brass, and takes the half-euro cylinder. So this one at the moment has got a Bassi core in it, which I haven't got round to giving it a go. I want to upgrade this one as well, but even so, the bitting on the key on that one's quite nice as well. But real big lump of brass there, so that's a nice one. Then we've got the Abus 83 CS IC55, and this one was sent to me by a lock-picking lawyer as well, and they come without a core, so he sorted out a core for me. And I don't know if you can see the keyway there, but it's the best core with a WC keyway, which is very, very nasty. So we got that all pinned up with reasonable bitting. We have a control key, if I can get it out now, there we go, and the operating key as well. So, but a very nice padlock, and that is the reason this one hasn't been on video yet, but hopefully one day. Another Abus 3455, nice big lump of metal. This one's got New York City Housing Authority stamped in it. Again, this one has been on video. Then we have the Rucos. We've got that's just a Ruco 2. These two here are the Assa Ruco 2s. This one's an older one, which originally came with the old style Assa pins in. This is a newer one with the new style Assa pins in. Both the green stripe ones. So, but there, I do like Rucos, nice padlocks. So I'd like to get the collection of different colours eventually. Then got the multi-lock shutter lock, real big heavy 85mm. It's got the classic core in it. This is one of my eBay bargains. It was brand new, hasn't got the card, no box or anything like that. It's got a couple of little marks on it, never been used, and I ended up picking that up for £20 delivered, and God knows how much it cost to post, just the weight of it I can't remember. So that's that one. Got another unusual one see over here, which is the Schlage round-bodied, very similar to the American 700. So quite nice bitting on the key on that as well. Then we've got the Squire SS50EM, which I've actually modified. This is designed to take a Euro cylinder as well, but it's a special size. I've actually modified this to get the multi-lock core in. So, was working a second ago, there we go. So if you want to find out how to modify a core to get into one of these, it was my video 36. And then the two monsters, we've got the CASP 190/70. You can just see the size of that compared with my hand. Huge. And weighs a bit. I think this has a GG core in it, 6-pin. But it is a Euro cylinder again, so that's another one that's going to get upgraded sometime in the future. And finally, another one that hasn't been on camera because I've only got it recently, but the Zone hardened. I mean, this one weighs over 1.5 kilos. Another shutter lock. We've got a 6-pin core with really nice bitting and quite paracentric, which is why this one hasn't been on camera yet. But another really lovely lump of steel. So, anyway, that's the first part of the collection. So, any questions you have about any of them, leave them in the comments. And thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.